We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Jiazhutao was completed on the 7th of July in 1944 and is mainly about the lives of people living in Beijing. Zhonglihe uses a sarcastic tone to point out the hypocrisy of this famous city. The residents' living condition is unhealthy and lacks warmth. The people's so-called superiority is built on endurance, self-satisfaction, and silence. The author compares the residents to wild boars, being able to live in their dark, filthy homes and being satisfied and comfortable, yet being able to feel happy with their good fortune, turning all their misery into animal-like vitality. Through his descriptions, the author's view of people in Beijing is projected onto in his readers' minds. Hey, welcome to our Hakka lesson of the day.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng.
Hey, Joseph Ling. And I sound happy, but I shouldn't be because last night I had no air conditioning at all because I lost electricity because there's MRT construction going around my house. 最近那个捷运啊，在我家那边呢都在挖东西，停电了，你知道吗？然后整间房子就黑，乌漆麻黑，然后冷气又没电，那样子很痛苦。想说顺便叫一下，停电了，要讲说都好黑哦，好暗。
停天嘞，
停天嘞，停电了 OK, that means there's no electricity.
无所手
听起来好可爱无所手要开始唱歌吗？
无所手
是什么意思？
就是黑青麻屋的黑妈妈的
真的吗？无是黑吗？无所手 that means it's so dark 看不到 can't see 无所手看不到 sounds like we can do a rap here 无所手看不到So anyways, the whole sentence means there's no electricity. Oh my goodness, what happened? It's all dark. I can't see anything. Which is 再一次
停天嘞
no electricity.
无所手看不到
It's dark. We can't see anything. And how about a couple of hours later, and the electricity comes, and people will go, 哇，电又来了。天来嘞OK 就电来了天听起来好像天空可是是电
那个天空是田荡
OK
天呢
天来嘞
停天就是停电
不手看不到 That's it for a Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin
什么太卡
俺是谁张来了
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.